It's me again. Not kidding. Hello, it's Hugh, and we're at the Joseph Hotel on the rooftop. We are poolside, and we're gonna meet with Daniel, who's gonna make us an adult swim, which is a gin-based cocktail. And then I'm gonna get in the pool, and then I'm gonna lay out for a couple hours, and then I'm gonna black out. They had to close the blinds because fans were looking at us and were obsessed. You could there's a couple of paparazzi right there. You could actually pull the drape, it would kill you. All right, Daniel, you're going to show us how to make this
yes, hands down.
adult swim.
So a gin-based cocktail. We're using London dry gin. So we should get into it so I can show folks at home how to make it, right?
Yeah.
So we do 2 ounces of London dry gin. We're using Brokers right now. Super floral, I love it. So this one may be a little bit awkward to make at home, but I think you still can with a little bit of ingenuity and a little know-how. So
If you've got gin,
exactly,
you can
that's
do,
a good start.
You can
right?
do
That's
anything.
A great start. So we take hibiscus tea. We get ours from the Howser, which is coming from Brooklyn. It's a collaboration that we have here at the Luxury Collection.
Shout out to Brooklyn.
Shout out to Brooklyn one time.
Yeah.
So what I do there is I make a hibiscus tea, and I match that with equal parts sugar. So now you have a hibiscus syrup. Do the same thing with ginger syrup as well. So I'll do ginger juice. Equal parts sugar on that, and now you have ginger syrup, hibiscus syrup. You put them together in equal parts, and you have this beautiful concoction, which I call gingebiscus.
Gingebiscus.
So, yes.
Sounds like a breakfast item at Cracker Barrel.
Yeah.
Can I have the gins biscuits
So
with sausage?
Exactly. I'll do an ounce of the ginger hibiscus mix on there, and then 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Has to be fresh. I always say fresher than the Prince of Bel-Air.
Oh!
So I know, I'm not here to steal thunder. I'm just here to educate the masses.
Right.
If you want to throw tricks in there, you can. Shake for a little bit. Rise down your glass.
And then I love a garnish.
I love a garnish too. We do something a little bit different in here. Like I mentioned, we're gonna go ahead and put the Prosecco in tin. I never put it on top of the drink because the first sip you have is gonna be Prosecco, and nobody wants that. They want to taste the full composition.
And look, it's a blush with a little
Exactly.
mauve situation.
Exactly. Garnish that with some candied ginger right there. And there you have it, something to Instagram by the pool. Spicy, has cool fall notes to it, but also crushable by the pool.
Perfect by the pool.
Yeah,
Perfect by the pool.
Absolutely.
Which is
So
your autobiography.
Yes, by the pool.
Perfect by the pool.
But there you have it, that's the adult swim. Probably the most popular cocktail here at Denim.